So today I will continue with the exercise that is based on chapter number 3rd. In the last class, I have completed till example number 6. So in today's class, we will continue from the example number 7. These all the example means solved example. Okay? These examples are solved in your book. You just go through your book and find these questions. Now, question is, what will be the output produced by these? Now, first is 12 divided by 4. In the division, it will give answer in terms of floating point number. So our answer is 3.0 because 4 3s are 12, 3 is a quotient, 0.0 means answer will come in decimal. Then 14, floor division 14. Once both the inputs are in integer, so it will give answer in integer only. If any one of these in float, then our answer is in float, otherwise it will give in integer. So this time it will give answer in integer. 14 1 ja 14, so answer is 1. Then 14 modulus 4. 14 modulus 4, integer divided by integer, you will get integer and quotient only. Sorry, remainder only, because in the modulus case you will get only remainder. So 4 3s are 12 and 2 is a remainder. So float in the case of modulus it will return remainder. So remainder is 2. Then 14.0 divided by 4, you will get answer 3.5, because I already explained in the case of division it will give answer in terms of floating point number. So our answer is 3.5. Next 14.4, floor division by 4. So here answer is 3.0. Clear? 3.0 because 4 3s are 12 and first value is in decimal, that's why it give answer in floating point. Now last is 14.4 modulus 4. In the definition I told you float modulus operator only work with this integer, but here first operand given as a floating point and second argument given as a integer. So here answer is in floating point. So 4 3s are 12, remainder is 2, so 2.0 is the answer. Now here,
excuse me, sir.
wait up. Yes, ask your doubt.
Sir, in the fifth part, why it is not showing to 3.5?
Sin, please don't talk. Don't talk. Mute yourself. In the fifth one part is this one, na? 14.0 divided by 4. This is the fifth one part,
Yes,
and it gives answer 3.0 only. So what is the problem?
sir, it should be 3.5.
It should be 3.5. Why?
So we are showing the question.
Listen, recall one point when we discuss arithmetic operators. Wait a minute. arithmetic operator, in that case it will skip this decimal part. See this last one example, last one, 7.2 floor division 2. So this time it will neglect this one, means it will remove 0.2 and work with 7 only. So 7 floor division 2, that means our answer is 3.0. It's same case it follows here. Once our value is 14.0 floor division by 4, so it will neglect this decimal part, whatever is given here इसको छोड़ देगा वो, ठीक है. 14 modulus 4, so answer is 4 3s are 12. So our quotient is 3 and it gives answer 3.0 because of first operand is in floating point. That's why it give answer in float. Now it is clear.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Now last one case 14.0 float modulus 4. Look this definition. Modulus operator to get remainder in integer division. In integer division means it always work with integer only, ठीक है. But here Python produce version, different kinds of versions, like पहले चला था 2 point something, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, but here this time I am working with 3.6.5 version. Python version is 3.6.5. so in this version also it will give answer in, means here we can say that modulus operator will work with floating point number also. जो modulus है ये floating point के साथ भी काम करेगा, but here also it gives remainder only. So वही same case यहाँ पर भी आएगा. It will remove neglect this part. Point के साथ काम कर रहा है but इसको छोड़ देगा. Now question is 14% 4, तो 4 3 are 12, remainder is 2, so it gives answer in 2.0. It gives answer 2.0 only. Float, ये काम तो फ्लोट के साथ कर रहा है बट इसका आंसर जो सोल्यूशन आएगा वो सिर्फ 2 आएगा. ये नहीं कि काटेगा पूरा पूरा नहीं काटेगा. इसका जो रिमाइंडर बचेगा 14 modulus 4 remainder is 2, then it will give answer, produce answer like 2.0 only. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Now see this example with the help of example also. 14.0 modulus 4. See this 2.0. 2.0 is the answer. So there is no printing mistake. Clear? Next is given that variable ck is bound to string Raman, means the value of ck is Raman. Look here, that is ck equals to Raman. What will be the output produced by the following two statements if the input statement given in Raman y? Now dk equals to input, enter name, and the value of dk is Raman. Value of dk is Raman and the value of ck is also Raman, means both the variables value is Raman. Okay. Now according to this first one, dk equals to ck, is it true or false? dk equals to ck, is it true or false?
True.
True. Why it is true? Because this is a relational operator. Here double equal to sign means it is a relational operator. A relational operator compares value only. That's why it is true. But here dk is ck is written. dk is ck means value of dk is Raman is ck. Its value is also Raman. तो क्या dk is ck? dk को हम ck कह सकते हैं? dk is ck. Is it true or false? Give answer. Yes or no? Sure, don't worry. Its answer is false.
It is also true.
It is false. It is false because of
Yes.
is or not is. we have two operator, that is called identity operator. ठीक है, it will compare address part. If both the variables address is matched, then only it is true, otherwise it is false. Now look with the help of example. Now the value of ck equals to Raman, R-A-M-A-N, Raman, and then dk equals to input, enter name, enter name. Now enter the value of dk, it's like RAM Raman. Now check c dk equals to ck, then it will display true, and dk is ck, then it is false. Why it is false? Because the id means address of dk. Look here, this is the address of dk and the address of ck is c. Both the address are different, that's why it is false. Because in the case of this is, it will compare its place value. Place means this one, address part. If address is matched, then only it is true, otherwise it is false. Whereas this is a relational operator, or relational operator compares value only. So here both the values are equal, then that's why it is true. Clear or not? This example is clear why it is true or it is false? Reply immediately. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
No. The reason is written also here. The reason being that both dk and ck variable are bound to identical string Raman, but input string are always bound to fresh memory. मीन्स जब इनपुट के साथ हम काम करेंगे तो उसको एक फ्रेश मेमोरी मिलेगी, इवन इफ दे हैव वैल्यू आइडेंटिकल, जबकि उसकी वैल्यू आइडेंटिकल है, हम मान रहे हैं इस बात को, लेकिन उसको इनपुट स्ट्रिंग के साथ उसकी वैल्यू जो मेमोरी आ रही है वो फ्रेश मेमोरी आ रही है टू सम अदर एग्जिस्टिंग स्ट्रिंग इन मेमोरी. तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग ये क्या होगा, आइडेंटिकल होगा, मैच करेगा, और ये फॉल्स प्रोड्यूस करेगा, बिकॉज दे बाउंड टू डिफरेंट मेमोरी एड्रेस. मेमोरी एड्रेस मतलब उनकी प्लेस वैल्यू क्या हमारी अलग अलग है. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next one is, what will be the output of following code? Explain reason behind output of every line. Now 5 is less than 5 or 10. So first of all, it will solve 5 or 10. In the case of this, it will return what? 5 or 10? It will take 10 from here, 5 or 10. It will take second one 10. Why? Because in the case of this one, truth value हमने पढ़ी थी, when the value of or first value is true and second value is, wait a minute, हाँ इसको मैं आपको यहाँ दिखाता हूँ. Or now suppose this one, first value is true and second one is expression, then final result is true. ये आया था, और first value is false, second one is expression, then it is expression. ठीक है? So come here in this one case. ठीक है, यहाँ पर first value is 5 और second value is 10. तो bigger value is क्या है, यहाँ पर 10 है. bigger value is क्या आ रही है, 10 आ रही है. ठीक है, बट what will solve first? यहाँ पर solve क्या होगा पहले, 5 less than equals to 5 और 10. यहाँ देखो क्या चीज solve हो रही है, 5 less than equals to 5 और 10. So according to this 5 less than 5, this is क्या है, true or false? 5 less than equals to 5 क्या होगा, true or false? 5 less
False.
false, false or 10. So 10 is the non-zero value, or non-zero value, is it true or false? Non-zero value, is it true or false?
True.
Non true. So first value is our false and second value is our true. So according to this, it is true. It is true. Why? Because of this.
True.
Because of this, first value is our false and second value is true. According to this, it is true. Or also here, last one case, first value is false and second value is whatever, it is true or false, so it will accept second one value. So according to this, it is also false, sorry, true. लास्ट वाले केस से भी ये ट्रू है और इस वाले केस से भी ट्रू है. देखो, if first value is false and second value is true, then result is true. Or last one case, first value is false and second value is expression. Expression maybe it is true or false, so it depends on second one value. So second one value क्या है? Expression. That means it is true. So answer is true. True means क्या आएगा? Second one value यहाँ पे क्या है? 10 है. तो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा हमारा? 10 आएगा. ठीक है? According to this last one. ये जो लास्ट वाला था, फर्स्ट वैल्यू इज फॉल्स, तो वैल्यू फॉल्स आ रही थी, एंड सेकंड वन इज एक्सप्रेशन, और इन दिस केस द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन इज 10. यहाँ पर इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? 10 है. तो फॉल्स और 10 में आंसर क्या आएगा? 10 आएगा. तो अवर रिजल्ट इज 10. इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? देखो, 5 लेस देन 5, दिस विल गिव फॉल्स, और इज अ ऑपरेटर, एंड देन 10 इज रिटर्न. ठीक है? तो आंसर इज फॉल्स और 10. तो false is the first result and second one is the expression. So in the case of expression it is 10. यहाँ पर 10, तो result क्या आया? Expression means 10. Through this last one line. Clear or not? This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next one case, 5 less than 10 or 5. That means 5 less than 10, it gives 5 less than 10 gives true. True or 5. True or 5 means here both are true according to this, because this is non-zero value also. But what if the first case is our true according to this table? If the first case is true and second one value is whatever, whatever means maybe it is 0, maybe it is non-zero, maybe it is true, maybe it is false, whatever, it will give answer true. It will give answer true. So according to this, our result is true. Second one case true. Is it clear? Second one is clear or not? Reply.
Yes,
immediately you have to reply.
Clear.
Okay, very good. Now next one, 5 less than 10 or 5. Here bracket is given. So according to the operator precedence, associative of operator हमने पढ़ लिया है. ठीक है? According to this, first we have to solve parenthesis, means bracket जो होंगे, we have to solve that one. So 10 or 5, what we will get? 10 or 5? 10 मिलेगा या 5 मिलेगा? 10 because 10 is true. First value is true and second value is also true. ये expression case में, तो इसमें हम 10 लेंगे. तो 5 is less than 10. 5 is less than 10. Is it true or false?
True.
True. So then next one case answer is true. Third one is answer true. देखो, 5 less than 10 or 5. So 10 or 5 result is 10. You are saying that it is 10. Very good. 5 less than 10. Then it is true. So third answer is true also. Now it is clear. Then fourth one, 5 less than 5 or 10. So 5 or 10, again 5 is a non-zero value, so it gives 5. It gives 5 ना. याद रखना, 5 और 10 में 5 आएगा. Why? Because of this. ये याद रखना, because of this. First value is our true. तो true means 5 is a true. First एक बार पहली हमारी 5 है, और second whatever, maybe less than first one or maybe more than first one, maybe it is 0, whatever. So it will take first one value, that is called true. तो यहाँ पर इसके according it will take consider 5, and then 5 less than 5 result is false, because 5 less than 5 not possible. 5 is equal to 5. Look here, last one, 5 less than 5 or 10. 5 or 10, that is 5, and then 5 less than 5, that is false. Is it true or false? Oh, sorry, understood or not? It is clear or
Yes, sir.
not? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Anybody have doubt? Please ask.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next example. Example number 10. We have lots of examples. So today I want to finish this solved problems. All the solved problems today I want to finish. Okay. तो करना जरूरी है इसे. What will be the output produced by the three expression of the following code? A equals to 5, B equals to minus 10, C equals to 25, D equals to minus 10. All the values are given. A, B, C, D. Then A plus B plus C plus operator have more than one plus operator is given. ठीक है. So here we have to perform left to right. यहाँ से इधर को चलेंगे. ठीक है. So value of A is 5 and the value of B is minus 3 and the value of C is 25. So plus minus minus 5 minus 3 that is 2. 2 plus 25 that is
27.
27. So 27 is the value of left hand side. यहाँ की value 27 आ गई. Then perform here. A value of A is 5 plus value of C is 25 minus value of B is minus 3 multiply value of D is minus 10. You know very well the priority of multiply is more than plus and minus according to BODMAS rule और as well as जो हमने पढ़ी थी टेबल उसके अकॉर्डिंग भी मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड की प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा होती है एज कंपेयर टू प्लस माइनस. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सॉल्व मल्टीप्लिकेशन here. So minus 3 multiply with minus 10 result is 30 in plus because minus is cut with minus. You know very well. पता है आप लोग को सबको ना. 3 minus 3 value of B is minus 3. Look here, value of B is minus 3 and the value of D is minus 10. So B multiply D. So minus 3 multiply minus 10 result is 30 in plus. Am I right? B into D. What is the result? 30 in positive or negative?
Negative.
Why? Look here. Leave this minus sign. इसको छोड़ दो अभी. अभी हम इसको solve कर रहे हैं. Consider this B into D. Here the value of B is minus 3. B is minus 3 and D is minus 10. Minus 3 multiply with minus 10. What is the result of B into D?
30.
30.
Plus
30 in positive ना. प्लस में आएगा ना आंसर. ठीक है. और before that minus. तो अब आया minus 30 and the value of A plus C. तो value of A कितनी है 5 and the value of C is 25. So 5 plus 25 that is 30. Now minus 30 result is 0.
0.
Clear? This is 0. Right hand side 0 and the left hand side 27. ये हमने solve किया था 27 था. 27 is greater than 0. Is it true or false?
True.
True. Very true ना. ठीक है. तो हम इसके अकॉर्डिंग चल रहे हैं. Now STR A plus B plus C is greater than A plus C minus B into D. So according to this I have solved this. ये पूरा solve कर लिया हमने. तो इसका आंसर किस में आया था? True में आया था, false में आया था?
True.
True आया. Now true. True is in string equals to true. So true is equals to true. It is true. Condition true हो गई.
True.
इसकी वैल्यू इसकी लेफ्ट साइड ट्रू आई, इसकी वैल्यू ट्रू है. ट्रू इक्वल टू ट्रू बिकॉज बोथ आर वैल्यूज. ये रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर है. रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर के इसमें ये वैल्यू मैच करेगा तो इट इज ट्रू. क्लियर ना? ट्रू मैच करेगा या सुनो?
Yes, sir.
ओके ठीक है. बट यहां पर आंसर फॉल्स आएगा, याद रखना. मैं भी कह रहा हूं इट विल गिव आंसर फॉल्स. व्हाई? अब सिचुएशन राइज होती है. व्हाई इट गिव्स फॉल्स? लुक हियर. व्हेनेवर आई प्रिंट और एक्सिक्यूट स्टेटमेंट it gives answer true like this. Here the T is in capital or small. देखो जब भी आंसर देता है ट्रू कैपिटल में देता है स्मॉल में देता है. लुक हियर. ट्रू T is capital. In this case it gives false. F is capital. इज इट क्लियर ना? ये ट्रू में T कैपिटल है, F फॉल्स में F कैपिटल, बट इन दिस सिचुएशन once it gives true as its result, ये अपनी वैल्यू क्या देता है? ट्रू देता है, बट हियर T is in capital और in the right hand side again true is given or its T is in small, so according to that it gives false. करेक्ट, जैसे कि आपने देखा था next line, length of str this one equals to length of str bool 1, length of str this one ये और length of str bool 1. So value of bool 1 is what? Bool 1 always gives what? देखो value of bool 1 is true. So what is the length of this true? 1 2 3 4. How many characters are here? 4 characters na? 4 letters are here. T R U E, 4 letters. Or here once it gives true, once it gives result true, T is in capital, so its length is also 4. Length function is used
Yes,
to
sir.
count the length of the string, so it will also 4, or this side is also 4, so according to this it is true. These all the 3 statements are clear. First, second, third, ये तीनों clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one example. What would Python produce if the following code? The input given is 11 hello, just written, key pressed, no input given, 0 of 5 minus 5. Means these are the inputs. Okay. Now once you type this code, bool input and 10 less than 13 minus 2. Now look, first time input is 11 और 11 is in integer और string? 11 किस में आएगा? integer और string? Reply immediately. Here 11 will come in string because of input statement. Input statement will take our input as in string. ये मैंने बहुत बार पढ़ा दिया बेटा आपको. Like a equals to input enter number 1, b equals to input enter number now 1 and then a plus b, result is 1 1. याद आया कुछ? तो input function और input statement always take value is in string. तो ये भी 1 है, ये भी 1 है. 1 plus 1 that is 11. So similarly here input function will take 11 as a string. So it is in string, but it is a non-zero value. 11 is in string. String में तो है, लेकिन 0 तो नहीं है ना? 0 नहीं है, तो bool function will return its value as a true. So its value is true. Look here. Bool bracket single quotes 11 bracket close and see. Answer is true. So it will return true, and 10 less than 11, that is also true. 10 less than 11, it is also true. So true and true, final result is our true. Is it clear? Reply. Is it clear?
No, sir.
Doubt? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Ask your doubt.
Sir, I didn't understand. I didn't understand.
Here question is saying that what would Python produce if the following code, the input is given. Input is given means first time I am giving input 11, second time I am giving input hello to this code. Code is ये है कोड हमारा, ठीक है। कोड इज bool input input, ठीक है। here input is a statement, so in whatever you have to give value through the input statement, it is considered as a string. It is considered as a string. That's why here 11 came in quotes. 11 came as a quotes. Quotes means it is a string type value. String type value कोई ना कोई वैल्यू है स्ट्रिंग टाइप में, इट इज नॉट अ जीरो, ये जीरो नहीं है, मतलब नॉन जीरो वैल्यू है, दैट्स व्हाई इट रिजल्ट इज ट्रू। किसका रिजल्ट ट्रू आया? बूल सिंगल कोट्स 1 1, व्हाटएवर यू हैव टू टाइप इनसाइड कोट्स, कुछ भी आप कोट्स के अंदर लिख दो तो वो नॉन जीरो है, उसकी वैल्यू हमेशा ट्रू आएगी। क्लियर? एंड 10 इज लेस देन 11, this is a mathematical मतलब relational expression है, so according to this its answer is also true। and then ये and लगा है, and means logical operator, so first is true and last is also true, true and true, final result is true। now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
then second one case hello, if you type hello तो देखो it also give answer true, देखो इसमें लिखा भी है for the same reason as in question number 1, जैसा रीजन इसमें आया था वही आएगा यहाँ पर भी, जैसे 11 स्ट्रिंग में था तो सिमिलरली हेलो इज आल्सो स्ट्रिंग, तो इट गिव्स ट्रू एंड देन दिस वन इज आल्सो ट्रू, ट्रू एंड ट्रू, रिजल्ट इज ट्रू। देन यहाँ लिखा है जस्ट की रिटर्न की प्रेस,
Here we will not show mathematical.
सॉरी
Sir, here in this second part we will not show mathematically.
सेकंड पार्ट दिस वन,
In the second part,
दिस वन
जैसे हमने ऊपर 10 शो किया है, इसमें हेलो से तो शो नहीं कर पाएंगे ना।
sir.
next just return key pressed, no input given, that is false। false why? just a key pressed, ये explain कर दिया मैंने, देखो bool single quotes open single
Yes,
quotes close, nothing is given, that means it is false, or according to 10 less than 11 it is true, false and 11 sorry false and true, result is false। then last one case, if you type 0 so 0 comes as a string, because 0 you have to taken through the input statement, here this is 0 in string not in numeric, so according to this it is true। look here, bool 0 it gives true, why? because 0 is written in quotes, quotes means character बन गया, ये character है तो that's why it is true, true and true, result is true।
True.
clear? and same is for last one, 5 minus 5 it is given in quotes, quotes में हमने कुछ भी दे दिया, that is